So today we're gonna start this vlog right here looking like this in the office with a huge mess of stuff that I have here. But today it's Wednesday, September 25th. That means one day for my baby girl to turn one. I can't believe this, you guys. Time seriously just flew by. I don't know. Aquí estoy bebiéndome mi maltica, mandando unos emails. I'm sending emails for work before I get my day started. And I'm gonna drop off Jaden to a new school today. You guys, I've been gone because there's a lot happening on this side of the screen, personal stuff. We've been struggling with Jaden at school, and it's just been so much that I hadn't had time to come on here and share this stuff with you. But today he's starting a new school, so I am super excited and nervous at the same time. It's like a whole mix of emotions that I'm having. So I dropped off Jaden at his new school and I was allowed to walk him to class. I was kind of excited to meet his new teacher. Then I headed to the supermarket to get a little cake for Katelyn'S birthday surprise and also to fill up the balloons. Then when I got home, it was time to set up her little corner right here where we're gonna sing happy birthday to her on her actual birthday, which is September 26th. And it was a Thursday. So here are the balloons that I inflated. I will be linking everything that I used down below in case you guys are interested. So I just decorated her little high chair, with items that I got, I think, from Shein, online, and on Amazon as well. So here I am on my PJs just setting up for her. We're excited about these two gifts that I got Kaylin. The first one is this ride-on car that I got her on Amazon. A pink Lambo, you guys. How adorable is that car? First of all, it was extremely easy to put together. Me and Jaden did it in no time. I also got her a wooden activity table for her to start learning and standing. And oh my goodness, it's super cute. Wait until you see it. And this is the cute little setup that I did. Here's the activity table that I was telling you guys about. I will link something very similar to this and also her ride-on car. She loved it. I thought she was gonna be scared because I remember when I did this for Jaden, he was terrified, but not Kaylin. As you can see, Kaylin loved her surprise, and then we were singing happy birthday to her. She really enjoyed it, you guys. Look at that little face. And the party day has arrived. This is how everything was being set up. You guys, it was turning out so pretty. I was afraid because we had a storm in Florida during the week of Kaylin's birthday, but it turned out beautiful and we got no rain. And here I am, I'm gonna be decorating the cake myself. I love doing this. If you guys saw it, I did it for my gender reveal as well. I will link everything that I use on the cake. So what I did was just order a plain cake from Walmart and we're just gonna make it pretty. Pink bow, I ordered it from Shein and I just put two toothpicks and put it inside the cake. And I think it turned out great. The flowers are from Amazon. The butterflies are also from Amazon. You guys, the event decorators really did a thing. They brought my vision to life. Like, look at this setup. How beautiful. Honestly, the video is not doing any justice to this. It was so much nicer in person. Believe me when I tell you. These custom made goodie bags were the cutest. One of my followers did it, and thanks to her so much. I will link her profile in case you guys are interested. We also got a self play for the kids, and here's how everything was looking before they brought the floral arrangements. And here's the tables with the floral arrangement, which were natural florals Everything turned out so pretty. I love the lavender and pastel colors that they used. That was it for today's vlog. I just wanted to share a little bit of Katelyn'S first birthday and some photos that we did as well. And that was pretty much it. I will catch you all on the next video. God bless.